We need access.
See all them shoplifters?
They don't play at this location.
Man, everybody just be still. If you know these people, call the police.
Hello.
What up, man?
Good. How are you?
Good.
You guys just getting back, or no? That's just the way it is.
That's that new policy now. Yeah, man. So you know we ain't here.
We're here for braiding hair.
Yo, what is?
We're kind of doing like a pink ribbon for like the Barbie.
Yeah.
The Barbie movie. I don't see any like pink ribbons. These are my favorite braiding, like everything shining down. I think we're gonna go with this one today.
You doing YouTube on this?
Come here. Yeah. Shea butter, baby. I need some shea butter. I just ran out. Rastafari, 1B, baby. Alright, let's get out of here.
It's a bad man. No.
I think that's all I need. How cute are these? They're different golds. But this one's more bronzy. Face is not in this.
I literally bought 80. I got everything I need. Make sure you guys check out Pasadena Beauty Supply if you're in Los Angeles. I love it here, and they gave me a discount because they love me too. So let's go home. Just a quick little lunch break. I said this was a fashion channel, y'all, not a healthy channel. Don't come for me. I love my fried chicken, okay? Love me that chicken from Popeyes. I want some chicken. I wanted some tenders, y'all, but now I want some chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. The lights. Classic. Diane drum. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. That's it. I'm waiting for my chicken. I'm officially ready to start doing my hair. It's 3:48 a.m. Hi friends, my name is Autumn Hayes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please like, comment, subscribe, and kick back because we're about to be doing a Pinterest inspired hairstyle. Kinda because I got a whole bunch of cute stuff. So I am inspired by the parting, so I'm gonna be doing like triangle parting. I think it's like 12 to 14 braids, but I am gonna add a little bit of my own flair by adding some curls and those cute accessories that you just saw. So I do want them long. I'm just about to get the hair ready. I'm feeling mad brilliant right now because I have this hooked up to the back so we can do the parting, and I've got it on my screen, and then I've got Crunchyroll up because I'm about to watch some Boruto. The back of my braids are done. I really love the curls. I'm gonna finish the front, and this should go by faster because I don't have to check the back of my head for my parting. So I'm gonna do half and either 2 or 3 on each side, and then we're gonna be done. It is 7 a.m. and I really want to make it to Chick-fil-A to get some breakfast before I go to sleep and start planning this content. So I'll get back with you guys and I'll show you up close how to do these braids, add in these curls, and then accessorize. To get my lines super straight, I always have to add whatever type of gel or edge control you're using to that part. Go back through one more time with a rat tail comb to get that part super straight. Like that. We're gonna start it off with just molding that braid. And I've already oiled my hair prior to sectioning it. I oiled my entire scalp. But I am going through and just oiling my tips again before I braid it in. Just because I like to take extra care of my tips. And I'm gonna go in with some lotion because my hair eats moisture. My hair devours moisture. So, we've got this braid already. I'm just gonna brush it and make sure that the braid is coming out of the middle and not on the side. Using as much product as I need. I've got my 3 sections and I'm just gonna start this braid here. I've got that started. So this is how I'm adding in the curls. I'm braiding it and then I'm stopping and I'm putting it inside of this finger. I'm just attaching that in there and grabbing it. Make sure the curl is out of the way and continue braiding. Tuck that over. So now the curl is attached to this piece. And then braid again and just go down as normal, and then it should be stuck in there. So I'm gonna do it again just to show you. Take this end piece, for whatever piece you want to braid in, put it in the middle, grab it. This side, you want to braid over it, or whichever way you braid, just braid over it to lock it in. And then keep going down. Braid normal. And again, this one's locked in, this one's locked in. And that's how you're getting these. We've made it to my favorite part of the class, which is time to accessorize. We're gonna do my edges and add these fun things on my braids. This is my favorite part. Like I said, it doesn't get better than when you're done and you just start to add things to make yourself just feel that extra pop of pretty. So let's start with these big ones. I like these. Obviously it's in the front. Isn't that pretty? We're gonna do a heart too, because it's the front. So I'm gonna do the heart a little lower, like right here. Get that heart on there. Alright guys, that's everything. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. Please make sure you drop in the comments to let me know what you think of my hair. And please make sure you comment and tell me what you think of my hair. Until next time.